KevG weather overview, looking at the drought monitor. Now, we have had some rain over the past couple of weeks in the form of afternoon storms, and then we had Tropical Storm Faye, but it hasn't done much to really totally knock out the drought the way it could have. So a little bit disappointing in that regard. In fact, we have a moderate drought situation still lingering over New England, much of New England in the area in brown. For our area, it's still a abnormally dry condition, so not quite like a harsh drought. We're not an extreme drought or anything like that, but still notable. I mean, it's come down somewhat, but it is, I think, in a way, these dry conditions overall, this is aiding in our, what I would call a pretty hot summer thus far. I mean, we're about halfway through. We're running, in Central Park, we're running about 2.8 above normal for the month of June, and then about the same for July. So that's decidedly above normal for sure. And when we take a look at the actual temperatures right now, we hit 90 again for the fourth straight day. And I think we have a shot at doing it, at least in the urban center, again tomorrow and then maybe Thursday. But it's all going to depend on these showers and thunderstorms that flare up over the next couple of days. And that will determine how long this heat wave goes, especially for New York City, Newark, etc. Because I think tomorrow along the coast it'll be slightly cooler. Now you look at the dew point temperatures around LaGuardia, it's 62. So we have mixed out a little bit of that humidity, but I think that as we get into tomorrow, as these fronts start to come near us, they're going to make the humidity values actually come up. So muggy day coming up for Wednesday and then again Thursday. Now I wanted to back it up to Wednesday. The model is trying to push through an area of afternoon and evening storms for tomorrow, and some of these could be pretty strong, so be on the lookout. But I think even in the morning we have a shot at a few passing showers in the mid-morning hours before we kind of clear it out again and wait and see what happens in the afternoon and evening. And then by Thursday, the model even wants to bubble up more showers and thunderstorms. No telling where those are going to be, but just kind of keep it in the back of your mind that there's going to be a widespread threat, at least for Wednesday and again Thursday, where any number of areas could get hit with these storms. And then it's not a bad weekend overall. I think the temperatures come down. We break the heat for a few days. And then we watch as a couple of fronts move in Sunday night and then again Monday night. And that portends, to me anyway, a pretty active pattern. You look at the Weather Prediction Center, and this is not a pattern. This is, they're showing basically what they think is going to happen in the overall jet stream for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And this isn't a pattern that would really promote a lot of heat. Problem is that they don't have a lot of confidence in the Sunday through Tuesday period. So that's just something we're going to have to keep our eye on. In the meantime, we'll take a look at the temperatures, and not a bad overall look once we get past Wednesday and Thursday. So tomorrow is muggy. We have a shot at 90. Thursday, once again, the same deal. Both days feature the areas of showers and thunderstorms running around. But then as we get to Friday, we cool off the temperatures to mid and upper 80s around the city, and out on the island, we're 82 to 87 with lower humidity. So this is shaping up to be a pretty nice summer weekend. Saturday, much of the same, and then Sunday the temperatures get a little bit of a bounce as we move into that transition period Monday through Wednesday. It's either going to be a case where the temperatures are going to be at or slightly above normal, or they're going to revert back to heat and humidity. My guess, looking at those charts, though, is that we kind of maintain near normal temperatures through about Tuesday or Wednesday or so of next week, but it remains to be seen. We'll just have to keep an eye on it as we go through the extended period. But a break in the heat is in the offing once we get past Thursday.